This video I will explain what is the difference between cashless claim and reimbursement claim. When you use health insurance for hospital treatment, there are two ways to get the money. First one is cashless claim, second one is reimbursement claim. What is a health insurance claim? A health insurance claim is a request you make to the insurance company to pay your hospital bill. What is a cashless claim? In a cashless claim, you do not pay the hospital bill yourself. The insurance company pays the hospital directly. Important condition. You must go to a network hospital. What is network hospital? A hospital that has a tie-up with your insurance company. Now we will see step-by-step process of cashless claim. Step 1. Choose a network hospital. Check your insurer's network hospital list. Get admitted there. Step 2. Show your health insurance card. Inform the hospital you want a cashless claim. Fill the pre-authorization form. Pre-authorization is nothing but request sent to the insurance company for approval. Step 3. Approval from insurance company. Insurance company checks your policy, your illness and coverage amount. If everything is correct, approval is given. Step 4. Treatment happens. You receive a treatment. Hospital sends bills directly to the insurer. Step 5. Final bill settlement. Insurance company pays the hospital. You pay only non-covered items and deductibles, if any. Now we will see when is cashless claim used. First point is planned hospitalization. For example, surgery, delivery. You inform the insurer before admission. Second point is emergency hospitalization. Go to network hospital, inform the insurer within 24 hours. Now we will see what is a reimbursement claim. In a reimbursement claim, you pay the hospital bill first. Later, the insurance company returns your money. Now we will see step-by-step process of reimbursement claim. Step 1. Get treatment in any hospital. Network hospital is not required. Step 2. Pay all bills yourself. Pay hospital from your pocket. Step 3. Collect all documents. You must keep hospital bills, discharge summary, doctor's prescription, test reports, pharmacy bills and payment receipts. Step 4. Submit claim to insurance company. Fill the claim form and attach all documents. Step 5. Claim review. Insurance company checks is treatment covered? Are documents correct? Step 6. Money is sent to your bank account. Approved amount is reimbursed to you. Now we will see the main difference. Payment at hospital. In case of cashless claim, it is not required. In case of reimbursement claim, you pay first. Hospital type. In case of cashless claim, only network hospital. In case of reimbursement claim, any hospital. Money flow. In case of cashless claim, insurer pays hospital. In case of reimbursement claim, insurers pays you later. Convenience. In case of cashless claim, it is very easy. In case of reimbursement claim, more paperwork. Now we will see which one is better. Cashless claim is better because no need to arrange large cash. Less stress during emergency. Faster settlement. Reimbursement is useful when a network hospital is not available. Emergency in a nearby hospital. Now we will see common reasons for claim rejection. Claims may be rejected if waiting period is not completed, disease not covered, incorrect documents, and policy expired. Now we will see real life example. Hospital bill is 1 lakh. In case of cashless, insurance company pays hospital directly. You pay small non-covered charges. In case of reimbursement, you pay 1 lakh first. Later insurance company returns eligible amount. So the conclusion is cashless is faster and easier. Reimbursement is the backup option. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.